The next is phloem. As the pronunciation is F, so it carries food, only food. So phloem, we'll write it carries food. From where to where it is carrying food? Food from leaves to other parts. Means the leaves, they are the kitchen of the plant. They are preparing the food, and the phloem, it is transferring food particles from the leaves to the shoot, to the fruit, to the seeds, to the roots, wherever everything is required. And it is storing most of the food in the fruits. So mainly it is made by photosynthesis, that we all know. And the process of transferring of this food, it is called translocation. Write down, the process of transport of food is called translocation. Okay, then what all things it is transferring? It is transferring amino acids, glucose, starch, okay, to the, where it is transporting? To the roots, stem, fruits, etc. So it is transferring everywhere. Now what all equipments or what all structures it is having to transfer it? First is, it has sieve tubes, again pipe like structure, sieve tubes and companion cells. It has sieve tubes and companion cells, which are allowing it to transfer the food particles from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Then the last is how it, or how this transport of food is taking place here. So here we can write, it uses ATP, adenosine triphosphate, or energy molecule, which is released during photosynthesis. It is using that energy to transport the food. Then last is how or what all things are, or what thing mainly it is able to transport it. Firstly or lastly, or in one word I am going to tell, it is using osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure, that is from the region of high concentration to the region of low concentration through the semi-permeable membrane, that is from sieve tubes and companion cells. They are semi-permeable membrane. They are transferring the food from high concentration to low concentration area up to equilibrium. So this is all about your transportation in plants. Okay, any doubts, you can text me, you can message me. You have to write down these notes, and in your exam point of view, these notes only will be helpful for you. Okay, now any questions regarding this, you can ask me, you can message me, or you can comment in my video. Thank you. In my next video, I am going to present you about transportation in animals or transportation in human being. Mainly we are human being, so we will discuss how the transportation in human being is taking place through a heart. So I request everyone to prepare a heart diagram, because I will be preparing here, but it will take more time. So I will just simply start explaining about it. So be prepared it, and thank you for watching it. Give a like and subscribe to my channel, and of course any doubts you can comment it, or you can send the message. Thank you.